Oppah Muchinguri endorsing VP Chiwenga. The 23rd of August 2025, by a correspondent. ZANU-PF National Chairperson Oppah Muchinguri Kashiri has publicly endorsed Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, declaring that the ruling party's leadership has no intention of handing over power to younger members anytime soon. Speaking during Heroes' Day commemorations, Muchinguri dismissed calls from the ZANU-PF Youth League for generational renewal. Instead, she insisted that the party's veteran leaders, the so-called Old Guard, still had unfinished business. Standing beside Chiwenga, Muchinguri told the crowd in vernacular, "Tichinbasa shefu, va Chiwenga, we still have work to do. Chief Chiwenga," she added, "these youths are the ones who complain that we are now old and must go. Yet we still have a duty to accomplish. We are not yet satisfied that you are now ready to take over power from us." Her comments have further fueled speculation about ZANU-PF succession battles, where President Emerson Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are widely believed to be locked in a Cold War over who should lead the party beyond 2028. Mnangagwa, who rose to power in 2017 through a military-assisted coup, is accused by Chiwenga's backers of trying to extend his rule despite earlier pledges to serve only 2 terms. Political observers note that Muchinguri's position reflects growing military-aligned support for Chiwenga. As defense minister during the 2017 coup that toppled Robert Mugabe, Muchinguri played a key role in that operation, and her latest remarks may be a signal of renewed alignment with the military bloc inside the party. ZANU-PF has long been plagued by divisive succession struggles. Under Mugabe, battles such as Gamatox versus Lacoste and later G40 versus Lacoste fractured the party, eventually culminating in Mugabe's ouster. Today, similar rifts are re-emerging, one camp backing Mnangagwa's potential 3rd term, and another positioning Chiwenga as the natural successor. Analysts say Muchinguri's open rejection of youthful leadership sidelines the party's youth league, historically used as a mobilizing force in ZANU-PF power struggles. By aligning herself with Chiwenga, she has placed herself at the center of the ruling party's intensifying succession storm, one that could reshape Zimbabwe's political landscape in the coming years.